Hi, in this video you'll know about what are the common symptoms of COVID-19 in children, what are the warning signs in children that the parents should be concerned about and when to consult a doctor, and how to give proper information about COVID-19 to your children in a non-stressful way. Hi, I'm Dr. Sumati. I'm a pediatrician and I've been working in this field since 8 years. So let's get started. As we all of us know by now that COVID-19 is caused by SARS coronavirus 2. And the bright side of this disease in children is that so far the children it is not so severe as in adults and the outcomes are excellent. There are many case series reported according to All Indian Institute of Medical Sciences, and in the largest case series wherein 2143 pediatric patients were involved showed that 90% were asymptomatic or have mild to moderate symptoms. I'll discuss about the symptoms in children in the later part of this video. And the age group most commonly involved were between 2 to 13 years. But young children, particularly infants, that is, who are under 1 year of age, are more vulnerable. So, in children, the symptoms mostly mimic that of flu, that is, common cold. Children with mild disease have symptoms like fever, cold, runny nose, sore throat, cough, myalgias. And if the kids are active and accepting feeds well, that is, eating well, not to worry. Observe them at home and consult your pediatrician on call and take necessary steps on management. Home management includes keep the kids in home isolation, don't take them out, give them proper rest and hydrate them properly. That is, give them plenty of fluids like water, ORS, water containing fruits, home based fluids, and feed them every second hourly. Use paracetamol for fever and observe. Proper rest and hydration plays a very important role. In the second category of kids, wherein you observe fever with increasing severity of cough, difficulty in breathing, like fast breathing, chest in drawing, and the child is not feeding and the child is lethargic, that means he is not active and remains dull all throughout the day. Take them as warning signs and consult your doctor immediately. Take an appointment with your doctor and let them know that you are coming so that they can make proper arrangements. So, coming to preventive measures, educate your children in a proper and empathetic way. Provide right information and avoid jokes and sarcasm about this topic in kids. Assure them when proper precautions are taken, you can protect yourself against this disease. Reduce screen exposure related to COVID 19 to avoid anxiety in kids. Teach proper hand washing techniques. Wash hands with soap and warm water for 20 seconds every second hourly after coming from outside, after using toilets, and before eating. Use hand sanitizer when water and soap are not available. Avoid touching face frequently. Keep kids away from sick people. And when going out in an emergency, use an appropriate size face mask in kids above 2 years that can properly seal their nose and mouth. So, in my next video, I'll be sharing very important information about vaccines in this scenario as many parents are repeatedly requesting me. Please share this video with everyone so that everyone will get the right information. And please subscribe so that you can follow me in all of my videos. So, parents, stay calm, stay home, and take care. Thank you.